Hi there, and welcome back to another episode of Tech Tuesday. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you know when we upload a new video. As always, I'm MJ, Product Support Manager here at JBS Equipment. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you where the shear bolt is located on your wide-body truck mount spreader, and also some do's and don'ts when it comes to replacing that broken shear bolt. The shear bolt on your wide-body truck mount spreader is located directly behind the tower gearbox, as shown here. When replacing, always remember to use the same size and grade. Well, that concludes this episode of Tech Tuesday. I hope you guys learned something. Be sure to like and follow us on our social media platforms. And if you have a video idea that you'd like to see, drop them in the comment section below.